Hello everyone, we are students from class 7 and we study in Mother Teresa School. Now we have received project to make first aid box from our class teacher Kansa. Here we made some first aid box and we have got different types of equipment from various clinic and pharmacy. First of all, we have got a stethoscope to measure the heartbeat, and here are some medicines. This is the medicines of vomiting.
Okay, actually, I think your first aid box is quite different than that of other. Will you show me the design of your first aid box? It is a little bit different. Yeah, it seems to be different.
Page to drawer, keep some important medicines, and here is some bandages.
Okay, means that this you have added by yourself. You all have prepared and added it. That's quite different. Very good. And here also it is in the back. You can see it. Yes, they have made it to place some of the necessary equipments over here also. Okay, explain about some of the medicines that are present into the box.
Here is handy plaster, which helps to plug the blood to come out from our bodies, and here is scissor, which is used to cut the bandage after using it, and here is tape, which is used to tape. Is Dettol, which is used to clean the wound, because there are various types of germs present in the wound. Here is betadine, which works same as the Dettol. Here are some body medicines, and here is cotton, which is used to clean the wound with the help of these equipments, and here is the medicine of fever.
It means that these informations you have got from the pharmacy, from where you have bought.
Pharmacy and our books have it.
Okay, good.
And here is gloves, because we must prevent us before we take others. So here is some gloves, and here is sanitary, which used to clean the wound. It works same, but its process is little bit different. And here is flexion, which is used to relieve our pain. Here is same common cold medicines, and we have got Eno also.
Okay, what is the purpose of this Eno?
Because there some may get gas in the stomach.
Yeah,
So,
to get relief from, we prefer Eno.
yes. And here is medicines of breathing problem. If there is any student who had got breathing problem, then we can.
Means that altitude sickness you want to say.
Yes.
Good. It means that now you have prepared this first aid kit and you can perform any type of first aid to different types of situation, right? What type of situation can we handle?
Bone fracture, snake bites, wound, sprain also, and there are different types, but we can handle by with the help of our friends. Now here are some same equipments, but in high quantity.
Okay.
Here is syringe, which also used to treat the snake bites by taking the blood, poisonous blood, or there are also other processes used to relieve the snake bite.
Okay, it's very good and you have done a really a very good job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.